All right, now that you have practiced with the time distance graphs, it's time for you to create your own graph. So we're going to do a formative assignment here. Go ahead and click on the link down at the bottom of. When your page opens up, you're going to go ahead and click on this Show Your Work here. This is where you'll be doing your work on this assignment. Click on this Show Your Work. This opens up a window here for us. We're going to do our graphing first of all. So we're going to graph on this grid here. And you can see I've already put the numbers in for you just to help a little bit. And you can see these are the ordered pairs that you'll be graphing. So just a reminder, if I'm going to graph 0, 0, that would be, this is 0, 0 right here. In order to get some nice dots in here, we're going to go over to this squiggly line. All right, so if I click on this squiggly line and hit the scribble there, and then I want to go up to this box, and you can make this any color you want, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to choose this largest box here on the end and make sure that this button's all the way over to the far right. When I do that, what's going to happen is if I go over here and I want to put something in, like my 0, 0, I can just click right where 0, 0 is and it'll add a dot for me. So it looks like a nice dot there. And then 115 would be over 1. This is 10, and then halfway between 10 and 20 would be 15. So this is 115. And then the next one is 215. So over 2. Remember, always go right to left first and then up or down, and then to 15. And then you'll go ahead and put the rest of those dots in. Then when I'm ready to connect my dots with a line, I want to go back over here, and this time I want to click the line, and then I might want it to be a different color so I can see the line that's different than my dots. And I also might want it to be not quite so thick. All right, so I'm going to do that. And then if I go over here, it'll just draw a straight line for me. So you can see that, and then I stopped, and then I'm going to click again and draw a line there. So you can see I've got the line for my graph. All right, so finally I need to put in some descriptors that tell me what I'm doing. I went ahead and put labels on our axes. So this is our distance in meters, this is our time in seconds. I'll add those to your graph too so that when you open it up, it'll be there already. So I think the best way to put these descriptors in is just to go ahead and make a text box. So I'm going to click on the T, and when I can see that that T is kind of highlighted, anywhere I click over here I can start typing. And so you can see I got that little box there when I clicked, and I'm going to put that what the rabbit is doing from 0 to 1 here. So in 1 second the rabbit is traveling 15 meters, and so I'm going to write that down here. I'm going to write that rabbit travels forward 15 meters per second. And then I can make this a little bit smaller so it's not taking up so much space by just clicking on the little square that's on the edge there. And then the next thing that I will want to do is go ahead and go back up here, make a scribble, and just make an arrow that points to what I'm describing. And so that would be a way that you can tell me that you know that the rabbit's traveling forward 15 meters per second. So tell me what distance he's traveling if he's moving and how fast he's traveling. At least a couple of times tell me how fast he's traveling. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.